Yes, now you can
Am
start.
I reading or
Yeah, you can read subtitle.
okay? Uh, Day 18, the magic to-do list. So we can see some balloons in the picture.
Yeah.
Anything else?
So I think sparkling balloon. So
Yeah,
a
sparkling
list of
balloons.
things maybe to do.
Okay, I'm very good at it. Making lists. Okay, the world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Eden Philpotts, novelist and poet. Really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you, always available to help you. It will never fail you or let you down, and the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you, and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more so it can do far more magical things for you. Every day there are little life problems that come up and that need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a situation. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do, and you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in a day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you're feeling frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. You may be faced with a problem that needs fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something and tried your best to locate it, but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, or amazing dentist or doctor, and despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do, and you don't know how to respond to them. Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone, and instead of getting it resolved, things seem to be getting worse. This magical to do list practice will help you with any little day to day problems when you don't know what to do or when you simply want something to be done for you. You will be amazed at the results. When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you want. And I'm reading it again. When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you want done for you. You will not know how it will happen or it will be done for you, and that is not your job. Your job is simply to be as grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as though it were done, and then let the magic happen. Today, create a written to-do list of the most important things you would like to be done or resolved for you, and title your list the magical to-do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problems from the smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you. When you have finished making your list, choose three things from your list to focus on today, and one at a time, imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you, and it is now done, all sorted, all solved for you, and you are giving massive thanks in return for it having been done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your three items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. You can follow the same practice on the rest of the items on your list at another time, but there is power in simply putting the things you want done on the magical to do list. Remember that the law of attraction says Like attracts like, and that means that when you are grateful for the solutions as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the situation. Focusing on problems attracts more problems. You have to be a magnet to the solution, not a magnet to the problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that it has been resolved attracts the solution. To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter, who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet and she had no idea where she might have lost it or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on surrounding doors, but no one had found her wallet. Other than the fact that my daughter's wallet contains the usual precious things in it, including all her bank and credit cards, driver's license, and cash, her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information because she had been overseas for some time. She didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope. But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hands. She opened her wallet, she went through all its contents, and she felt enormous gratitude that she had her wallet and everything in it back and in her hands. For the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it again, my daughter imagined she had her wallet in her hands, and she felt enormous elation and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her. Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of this story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but to no avail. And so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But while he was walking out in the fields at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it one last time. He found a small piece of paper with a man's Christian name written on it, and so he put the Christian name together with my daughter's surname and called directory assistance. There was just one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got that phone number because it was an unlisted number. We called directory assistance ourselves several times after this happened, and the response every time was sorry, there is no listing for that name. From 100 miles away, through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back, and as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstance, and event to return her wallet to her. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just had to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it. Magic practice number 18, the magic to do list. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Create a written list of the most important things or problems you need done or solved. Title your list the magical to-do list. Choose three of the most important things from your list, and one at a time imagine that each thing has been done for you. Spend at least 1 minute on each thing, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day."
Thank you, Sapnati, for reading. I think a lovely chapter to do things, and
Yeah.
everybody of us have experienced one or the other incident in our lives. Wallets lost or something happened. If we think positive, sometimes, most of the times, things come back on their own, and sometimes they don't. Like I remember a few months back, so my office is in Bandra. So I went to Linking Road just to get something during the office hours, and while coming back in the auto rickshaw, my mobile slipped from my pocket and it was in the auto. And I came upstairs in the office and then I was figuring out ki phone kahan gaya. Obviously, I started panicking. So I called the shop where I went. I said, "Wahan reh to nahi gaya, gir to nahi gaya." So they were like, "Nahi, yahan pe nahi hai." Then in auto rickshaws, I mean, you don't get the phones back. That is a thing.
I
So
also
once,
got I
yeah,
also got it back once from the auto.
very nice. So
And
there's a
very expensive phone in the first week.
oh
In
wow.
the first week itself, my daughter's phone, not mine, daughter's phone, but she got it back from the
And a
auto.
lot of, whereas a
Because
lot of people lose their phones in first week.
yeah,
So
lot
they're
of
like train में
there
गिर
were
ना जाए कोई निकाल ना
no,
ले and it happens.
many years back when I had just joined my job, maybe 5 6 years, my cousin had sent a letter addressed to me saying Mrs. Madhu Damle and New India Assurance, Mumbai. That's all. But that letter landed on my table.
Oh wow,
it
that is the
it
beauty.
was such a crazy thing. I said, my God, look at that.
So that time I was panicking and there's a God's picture on my soft board. And I was like, मिल जाएगा. I started visualizing. On the same hand, I was like, नहीं मिलेगा तो नया आएगा. दिलाना है तो वापस ले आओ. नहीं तो गया तो गया. So I think बोलना आसान है, but that particular moment you have to.
It's very difficult to visualize that you have got it.
Yeah, that is there.
Difficult to.
So, did you read the news? I think there was a news somebody lost his wallet in local train in many years back, 2006 or something,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
police
yeah.
has just given it back.
Wow.
Yeah, Kruti must have read it. So,
Yes,
with the
yes.
same amount of money. So,
It was intact.
yeah. So, there's
Uh-huh.
one old 500 rupees note. They said we'll exchange it and give it back to you. That also.
Oh my God.
Just
And
imagine.
you got your phone back.
Yeah, I got my phone back. So, the auto
Richa
guys.
lost her phone today.
Who lost?
Richa.
Oh, she lost her phone. Oh, God. Where?
Yeah. Maybe in the auto, she doesn't remember.
So,
She
And,
if
came
and
to the store
sometimes
today.
if you can't get means you really can't get things.
yeah,
That also has happened with me. That right in front of my office, when I got out of the car, my phone must have fallen from my lap because I was using it when I was sitting in the car, and I just couldn't get it.
so I think not even a month back. So outside my house, there's a guy, and somebody stole his bicycle. I personally started visualizing that he'll get his cycle back. So two, three guys, they met and reached a point like where all the thieves sit. सारे चोर बैठ के मीटिंग कर रहे थे साइकिल मिल गया कि ये कितने में बेचना है and they reached that particular place and got their cycle back. That the guy who stole, he was like, "Sorry, भैया ले जाओ चलो अपना सामान." They didn't fight, but they got it back, and that's how beautiful it is.
Last
I'll tell
December,
Richa
I
today.
had received one wallet. Like I was in a auto and I think in a taxi, Mumbai. I was going to my office, Kalagoda, and from VT till that time we had these taxis. And I realized there is a full money and all those things, but contact number नहीं है. तो मैंने wallet तो ले लिया, but I had that urge. How do I give it back? And almost 2 days I struggled finding that person. But finally I was able to locate him due to
Oh, wow.
LinkedIn and Naukri and all that.
Wow.
I did a lot of things to find that person. It had a small note from his daughter. I need printout of all seasons and this. She had made it was so much that I was getting it. No. And he had, I think, withdrawn a good amount, like 5 8,000 in the and December, I think it was that Margashish Mahina, Guruvar and all that types. So I was getting so restless. How do I return and find this person? So his friend's visiting card was there. So I called up and he's like, where do you stay? I'll come and pick it up from you. I said, no, no. जिसका है उससे बोलो मुझे फोन करने के लिए. So it got 2 days, but finally when he was so dumbstruck and surprised. But that day we both learned that the wallet should have your visiting card, your photo,
As
or
well,
something.
as well.
Yes.
Something to identify you.
Yeah. One of my friends had a slip on which he had written password of his ATM card. Somebody stole the wallet and took out the money also. I said, who gives you brain to do this? He said, नहीं मैं भूल जाता था पहले क्या password है. But yeah, all passwords.
How many? All. Because I deal with my children, my brother, my sister, my parents, everybody's accounts I handle here.
Oh,
So how do I remember?
you can't remember.
If somebody steals that paper, I'm done.
That is it. So
How
I
do
think
you keep track of
Yeah.
so many?
so. The chapter also says, see, when problem comes, that's when the real test is whether you can be great. I mean, we can keep on discussing and discussing, but when we face a situation, the way we react, obviously our minds will divert, and one will make us visualize negative things. कि अब तो सब बर्बाद हो गया. अच्छा wallet गया, सब बर्बाद. How will I reach home? But consciously, when we think and try to visualize that okay, better things are coming our way. So that's the test we go through. So while reading the book, also in day-to-day life, whenever a problem is coming, you need to realize, okay, this is my test, and now I need to be grateful. And
I would
then
like to share one thing. My niece, she lost her car. Miss car was stolen from Thane, and she lodged police complaint. Everything was done, but she could not get the car. After 1 year, she got a phone call from the police that one car is means lying on a lonely road at Dombivli. So can you come and see and whether it is your car? So she went there and it was her car and it was intact. Nothing had happened to her car and she got the car
Wow.
1 year.
My God.
So yeah, God tests us,
Yeah.
no?
Yes.
And once we forget the product, then it comes back to our life. If
Yes,
it
yes.
is meant to come back.
But one thing, Karthik, I would like to share with you that you please pray for me because I have lost all
What
my
have you
original
lost?
documents. Huh?
Oh.
All my
You're
original.
misplaced. You're not lost. You're
I
misplaced.
don't know, but I have for 3
You
years.
have-
During the renovation of our house, I don't know where that file has gone, and
Oh
it is
my.
not traceable. So
It's just misplaced.
yeah,
Just
misplaced, but so far I have not got it.
Yeah, don't stress, and you will find it some.
Yes.
So
So you have given us the practice for today. So we are not
Yes,
doing
yes.
energy
In
practice. We are doing
that
the
you can find
please
it.
gratitude
pray
practice.
for me.
And
Yeah.
everybody of us will visualize that you have
Thank you,
found
thank
it.
you,
Yes.
thank you.
And before we complete 28 days, we want to listen that you have got it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yes. Yes.
All
Where
right.
is
So
Sonam today?
she was on the way somewhere. So she joined
think
and I think
she's
exited.
out.
Yeah, she was there for some time, but after
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
she's.
I think she's not getting the net there where she is. Because she said I will continue, means I will be joining from the place where she has gone, but she's not able to, I think.
Some internet issues. So she joined early, but I think she had to exit.
I want to ask one thing.
Yes, Andy.
I tried getting into this by Zoom from my husband's laptop, but it didn't accept it. So I got late. Then I took out my laptop and again when I searched, why this is so?
I think there must be some Zoom error. Like Madhu auntie yesterday got logged off and she couldn't enter. Whereas this is a private meeting, public meeting. I mean, anybody who has the link can enter.
Yes.
So there must be some Zoom issue. Nothing beyond that.
Okay.
All right. So we can just do the gratitude thing on our own and concentrate on Darshana auntie's, lost
Yes.
thing, which is going to come to back to her very soon. So we'll just take 2 minutes Close your eyes. Okay, slowly we can open our eyes. So tomorrow's practice is pretty simple. So list down as much as things you want to do, but you are unable to do, or you don't want to do, like on a personal level, but you have to do. So choose three and just be grateful that they have already happened. Start with baby steps, and just be grateful for whatever is coming your way. And tomorrow onwards we have some lovely chapters coming which will activate our sensory organs more. And we have chapters like make your footsteps are magical, then you can breathe, your air is magical, and all these things. And slowly we'll be, by end of the month we'll be completing this magical book. So all right, so we had a lovely session today. Let's meet tomorrow. Yeah, good night
Yes.
everyone. Thank
Good
you.
night.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right.
Thank
Bye.
you. Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.
Night.